Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add people, how to add your friends to your meetings in Google Meet. So let's don't waste any more time, just let me show you how to do it. Here is how. Let's start a meet first. From here, a new meeting, start an instant meeting from now. From here, check your microphone, check your camera. You can choose a background, of course. When you're ready, just click on join meeting, and from here, now you're in a meeting, right? But it appears this message where it says add others. So there's two ways to add your friends or some people to your meeting in Google Meet. Here is how. Here's the first. Here's the first way, by copying the join info like that, and now it's copied, and now you can send it to your friends from Facebook, from Instagram, from Snapchat. I don't know from where you can send it by to your friends. And the second way is by clicking this add people. When you click actually here, you can add your friends by entering their email address. And yeah, when you click on their email address, just click on invite, and they will receive invitation from you. So actually that was how to add people and your friends to your Google Meet, Google Meetings. And yep, if you're finding this video for helpful, you can give a like, and also if you have some questions, if you have some problems, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments down below the video, and who knows, maybe someday I will try to respond. And yep, see you next video. Bye.